So another way that we've been able to help our children to read these words and have fun doing it is we've made up little games to help them want to read. And one of the games that we've made up is a fishing game. And what we did is all the words that are in a lesson we put on fish. And all you would do is just put a little paper clip around the word. And we just bought these little cheap fishing poles at Walmart. And we let our children catch fish. And we would say, okay, honey, can you catch a red fish? Or can you catch a green fish? And that also helps them to remember their colors if they don't already know them. And then we would have them put it on a scoreboard, which also helps them to know their numbers. And so we have them do up to maybe 10 fish. We're going to make this fishing game available and have these sheets for download so that way you can play this also with your little ones. But this is just one way. Another way we've been able to help our children enjoy reading. Okay, Gideon, what is catch a pink fish?
Oh, not you.
That's right. Good job. Okay, catch a pink fish. You need a pink fish now. Where's the pink fish? Do you see a pink fish? I see a pink fish. Ooh, that's going to be hard. Oh, that's okay. What color is that?
I want a pink fish.
Oh, you want a pink fish. Okay.
That was a pink
Hey, all right. What word is that?
fish.
Fed. All right. Okay, put it on the thing. Good job, buddy. All right. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we got a brown 4. Where's the brown fish? You see the brown fish? You see a brown fish? Hey, all right. Good job, buddy. What name is that, buddy? What name is that? What fish is that? What's that?
Fox.
Fox. Okay, put it on number 4. Good job, buddy. Good job. Excellent.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Where's 5? Okay. Now so this is the book that's helped my children to learn how to read and spell. And you can download this entire book in PDF format. And I'll post the links down below from our website and also from our Etsy shop. And the reason it helps your children to learn how to read so fast is because these sounds that we hear every day are in the letters that they are learning. For example, we've all been there where we can't think of the words to say, so we go, or we've all heard a ticking clock. Or we've all heard the rooster crow. So all these sounds really stand out in your child's memory because there's everyday sounds that we hear, such as, "Oh, sing Ollie the octopus who loves opera. Oh, sing Oscar the old octopus 1 octave higher." Or we've all heard this, "Na na 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 na, you can't catch me." Or, M&M muffins and milk. So this is why these letters really stand out in your child's memory, because we hear them all the time, such as we've all screamed, "Ah!" But you can download this entire book on our website. You can also download all the tangible letters that will help them to remember what these different letters sound like, and so they can be able to spell as they're going through the different lessons. These are invaluable when teaching your child how to read. We have all the consonant diagrams and the vowel diphthongs also that you can download. And we also have worksheets that will help them to learn how to write the different letters that they're learning. Thank you so much for visiting us, and feel free to subscribe or to click the links to learn step-by-step instructions on how to teach a 1 to 3-year-old how to read and spell.